Look, it happens to everybody. You get up, you're tired, you look at your closet, and 9 times out of 10, you're choosing the wrong items. You're choosing the wrong clothing for that day. And today I'm going to show you 6 bad clothing decisions that you make every morning. Let's go. Number 1. You're starting off with the wrong shoes, my guy. Look, the mistake most people do is they go for comfort here. They end up picking up the sneakers that are completely worn out, they look torn up, or the slides that are ultra comfortable. And this is a mistake because research has shown that your shoes can tell a lot about your personality, your status, and your income level. Do not screw it up by going with the lazy option. Number 2, you're afraid of trying something new. We are creatures of habit, and what ends up happening is you end up choosing the exact same styles, fits, and color palette over and over and over again because you're afraid to experiment out because you don't feel comfortable. And the truth is, and now you're stuck in this repetitive cycle where you're bored and probably other people are bored as well because they've already expect you, they know what you're going to wear. But if you try something new outside the box, not only can your style expand, but you're gonna shock and awe people around you. For example, if you're a dude that's always wore fitted pieces, yo, try an oversized piece. I promise you, your life's gonna change. Our new Essentials hoodies, boys, are going on sale this Saturday, 10 a.m. Eastern for Black Friday, up to 70% off of the entire site. This is your time to try it. See, you got nothing to lose. The sale is ridiculous. Some of the pieces I'm losing money on. Like, I've removed all profit margin. At this point, I'm selling it below cost to you guys just so you guys can have great pieces so you can look stylish. This is the biggest sale we've ever done. Not only is our entire heavyweight collection going on sale, like, bro, I have lived in these hoodies. I have lived in them. Not only are these going on sale, we're also putting on sale popular pieces that we have placed an order on, like our cargos, our tensols, our Henleys. These have been sold out for months, our chinos. And because of the supply chain issues, they've been a pain to bring in. And thankfully, they're just in time for Black Friday, meaning, boys, everything up to 70% off. We're also having a $15,000 cash giveaway. 15 winners are gonna have $1,000 in cash in their order. I've done this before. We're gonna do it again, and this time, for every item you buy is 1 entry, meaning the more items you buy, the more entries you have. And if that's not enough, for every $200 you spend, we're gonna send you a free crew neck sweater. That's not enough? Okay, I'm gonna give you more. If you live in New York City, we partnered up with Youre where we're gonna be sending you the item same day. Amazon who, bro? Amazon who? For all our 5 stores, because all our stores are going on sale, Essentials, J Black, all of them are going on sale. Every single one, for every purchase from now on that you make in the city same day, it will get delivered same day. So when you shop this Saturday, 10 a.m. Eastern, Black Friday for Essentials, that Saturday, you're getting your order delivered. And if you're a pro member and you shop on Friday, you're gonna get your order delivered before the store even opens on Saturday. Bro, like, come on. Yo, Jeff Bezos, ring me up. I'm gonna help your logistics team as well. Boys, if you guys wanna check out this launch, if I were you, put a reminder on your phone. And I wouldn't do it for 10 a.m. Put a reminder, 9:50 a.m. 9:50 a.m. Eastern time, November 27, this Saturday. You wanna be there 10 minutes early because when this site opens, I promise you, it's gonna sell out fast. Number 3, you dress kind of dumb. You don't wanna go for that bummy graphic tee and bummy shorts and slides combination. No. I want you to smarten up your outfit to actually become smarter. See, one specific study found that dressing professionally helped increase abstract thinking and gave users a broader perspective. Basically, every time you throw on that tie, it's like that creative switch turns on in your brain, and it doesn't only affect how others perceive you, but it even affects how you perceive yourself. This ends up making you feel empowered to be able to make those tough decisions. Number 4, you go for comfort and not function. And look, I'm not talking about comfortable as in like it's soft and it's comfortable. No, I'm talking about comfortable as in safe. Like you're going for the comfortable option that you know is safe because no one's gonna judge you on, rather than thinking about your clothes as utilitarian. You see, you need to start understanding that clothes, they're tools and they serve a purpose both from protection of the weather and social communication. Which rolls on to number 5, you just have too many options. If you open your closet and the first thing you do is stare at your closet and you just have hundreds or even tens of options, that there is your first mistake. See, successful people purposely try to limit the amount of options that they have to do in a day because they know the capacity to make well thought out decisions in a singular day is finite. So why would you waste your time making decisions about what you're gonna wear and what you're gonna eat 3 times a day and waste that finite decision making skills that you need on broader problems. Instead, I want you to focus, slim down your wardrobe to the basics, to the essentials that actually fit, the stuff that you know makes you look and feel good, that gets those creative juices flowing, and everything else, get rid of it. That way, every morning when you get up, you just mix and match easily, you're out the door. And finally, number 6, do not forget your accessories. There's this process called thin slicing whereby our brain makes split-second decisions based on new stimulus. It happens without us even knowing, and it's basically how intuition works. See, this fast-paced mental process of thin slicing will break everything about you. How you walk, talk, act, smell, groom, how you look, and clearly even what you end up wearing. Too many people want to fight that natural nature and say, oh, you shouldn't judge a book by its cover. But this thought, it's fairyland, it's fairy tale, it's impossible to do so. Everybody has this thin slicing mechanism that occurs in our brain. It's ingrained in us as a survival mechanism so we can make those split-second decisions as to who we can trust and who we cannot trust. So instead of living in la la land and hoping people change and stop judging books by covers, make sure they judge your book exactly like you want them to. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget our Essentials collection dropping this Saturday, November 27th at 10 a.m. Eastern. It's the biggest sale we've ever done. You don't want to miss this. That's it for me today. See you next time.